Because of the great success of the Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians, there were many other civilizations that built upon those legacies. Scholars translated medical literature from Greek and Roman into Arabic, developing new conclusions and contributing more perspectives. This is how early Islamic practices influenced medicine today. I am Justin Charles Von Possel, and we will be talking about Islamic roots of modern medicine and pharmacy. From the year 661 to 750 of the Common Era of the Umayyad dynasty, people believed that God would cure every illness. By 900 of the Common Era, many medieval Islamic communities had begun to develop and practice medical systems with scientific elements. There was a Persian physician, alchemist, philosopher, and scholarchief physician of the Baghdad and Rayy hospitals. Lived 865 to 925 of the Common Era, Al-Razi or Rhazes, known as the father of pediatrics, as he also wrote the text The Diseases of Children, distinguishing pediatrics as a different field of medicine. Al-Razi wrote more than 200 scientific books and articles as a prolific author. He pioneered ophthalmology and was first to write about immunology and allergy, like allergic asthma. He was the first to realize fever was a defense mechanism of the body. Many was written about pharmacy, introducing the use of mercurial ointments and how many devices like spatula, flasks, mortars, and phials were used in pharmacy. Al-Razi even wrote about ethics of medical practitioners, such as doing good even to enemies. Next, there was Ali Abbas, also known as Masudi. He was a Persian physician and psychologist from the Islamic Golden Age, most famous for the Kitab al-Maliki, or the Complete Book of Medical Art, his textbook on medicine and psychology. In the complete book, there is information on dietetics, conceptions of the capillary system, some observations, motions of the womb during birth, neuroscience, and psychology. The father of operative surgery, Al-Bukasis or Al-Zarawi, is credited with the first thyroidectomy performance. He is the pioneer of plastic surgery and wrote The Method of Medicine, that is a 30-volume medical encyclopedia. There is information on 200 various surgical instruments for cauterization, general surgery, orthopedics, recipes and preparation of drugs, discussions on several aspects of medicine and dentistry. There were also detailed methods for successful replantation of dislodged teeth that is written in this book. The Persian Ibn Sina, known as Avicenna, had many skills and professions. He wrote about 450 books and articles, 240 of which still exist today. 40 of these focus on medicine, including the Book of Healing and the Canon of Medicine, which medical schools still read about. The Canon, or Law of Medicine, is a 5-volume textbook in Arabic, which was translated into other languages such as German. This is one of the most influential books of medicine and has set standards in the Middle East and Europe. In the text, considerations for testing new medicines were written. When it comes to oral hygiene, the medieval Islamic people used the miswak, which is a teeth-cleaning twig from Salvadora persica tree. Similar to what the Romans used, the end is frayed like a brush. This plant has antibacterial capabilities and controls the formation of dental plaque. Using the miswak is said to be a way of the Prophet Muhammad and is part of the Islamic religious belief. This Prophet Muhammad was a prophet sent to spread the religious teachings and practices of Islamic doctrine. Medieval Islamic people used some traditional medicines. The black seed was an antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and analgesic. Honey was an antibacterial component and sometimes used as vitamins. Dates were used in sustaining blood sugar levels, which is still used today for that same reason. Poppy seeds were used to relieve pain because of the codeine and morphine. Cinnamon for wounds, tumors, and ulcers. Now, many other herbs and seeds were used in pharmacy, and not just the ones that were mentioned. Again, I've been Justin Von Possel. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you all again in the next video.